Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, as we know the Christmas are coming soon and everyone decorate their house in this occasion. So I am back with amazing and stunning Christmas decoration ideas in which are very helpful for you. All the pieces are very unique and beautiful and more attractive, which is very adorable and unique pieces. All the ideas are very beautiful for your home decoration. Watch my video till the end and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe my channel, like my video, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.